Hi, it's Dr. Sweeney. If you've got a persistent cough that's been ongoing for more than 4 weeks, then you should get it checked out with your doctor. It could be an ongoing infection, but it also could be things like late onset asthma as an adult, acid reflux causing irritation of the back of the throat, or a postnasal drip from a blocked nose, chronic rhinitis causing mucus to drip down the back of your throat. All these things can cause a chronic irritating cough, but it's important if you've had a cough ongoing for more than 4 weeks, you should get it checked out with your doctor, get some basic tests done, particularly a chest x-ray, to get to the bottom of what's happening. So any persistent symptoms, definitely get them checked out and keep yourself safe. Until next time, see ya.